Extremely simple installation. 2 arms, 1 handle, power supply plug, power switch. There's 2 connectors for the handle. This is the lower and upper trim. This side is open, has another box inside. First of all, attach the arms over here. Next one is the handle. Attach an arm right here. This is probably for a cable. You should go over top of this ring somewhere here to hold this cable in place. I missed that part. Inside box we have a main component that do the most of the work. Very heavy duty. Has bearings on the side and this thing that's supposed to trim it. So we got 2 attachments. This one is probably for doing soil. Well, that's actually nice. I can imagine how much mess would be, but I like this scavenger. Let's change it. Probably have to unscrew this thing right here. This should come off just like that, and hot swap just like that. There you go, and it's actually a very nice part. Not many companies offer you this. Okay, now we gotta plug this thing and see how this operates. Truly review. Again, sponsor of the company today of this video was company Yardcare. We need to attach the bag as we're gonna pick it up all this mess right here. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Well, everything's ready to go. I have only one hand. I'm assuming I have to press this button to release and trigger this one. Oh my goodness! I think I have to lift this up a little bit because I'm gonna dig it the whole thing from the floor. Let's go ahead and do 6 inches, I'm assuming. A little bit higher because I think I'm going to make a mess. Let's try to see how does that work. Wow. Very impressive. You can see the result. Nice and clean. Wow, we get some more freshness and geez, what do we got inside? Let's see. Wow, it's full. I think I can even go a little bit up higher. Yeah, because too much of a greens in here. I was wondering where should I put this. I have a lower grass over here. Might just going to be spread around over here so it grows. There's my goats out there. They hear the word goats, and they come in. What if we're going to be get a little bit up higher? Because I think it taking too much of the, so I didn't go 10 millimeters, but I will go 3 millimeters. I just want to pick it up as less as I can. I don't want to dig it at grass. Okay, let's do it again. We'll just go back way, same way we came. Let's see if we can do a nice fork over here. Okay, that's a lot better. Result. Let's see if we pick up greens. Not as much, but it pick up greens as well. What if I'm going to be put a 10 millimeters? see how that's gonna work. It's actually not touching the grass at all, but picking up all this old stuff. Well, I will go ahead and start working on it. Thanks for watching. I would definitely recommend this company. I wish that'd be cordless, but unfortunately I do. Thank you for watching, and I'll let you enjoy my goats a little bit. What's up, girls? Shelby, Luna, Shelby, Lunka, Luna. Luna, Shelby, Shelby. Look at me, sweetheart. Shelby.
Link for purchase you can find in the descriptions. Please like and subscribe.